Get the best shot even in the dark. We're checking out a selfie phone today. This is the Vivo V21 5G. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. You guys know that I get excited over selfie cameras because I honestly feel like they're underrated. Especially with TikTok and IG stories, we use our selfie cameras a lot. But we never get as much features as we do on the rear cameras. The Vivo V21 5G seems to be addressing all those selfie concerns with a 44 megapixel front-facing camera, OIS and EIS capabilities, and dual selfie LED lights. More on the selfie capabilities later on. We're gonna be doing a selfie test, but first, let's unbox. Right, I love that this thing also came with my tech channel's name on it. So we have a really nice box. As you can see here, I got the 8GB 128GB version, and this is the Vivo V21 5G. Now there is a Vivo V21e that's not 5G, and I'll have a separate unboxing for this thing, and I'll link it up here and down below. Back to the V21, we have the same Vivo branding. On the back tells me that I have the Sunset Dazzle color. That sounds exciting, and as you know, I really like Vivo phone colors. We have the phone, but we'll check out what else is in the box first. SIM tool, paperwork, comes with a jelly case of course, power brick, USB-C power cord, earphones, and finally, there's a dongle, which leads me to believe that this phone does not have an audio port, so let's find out. So on the phone itself, it says do not block the proximity sensor and ambient light sensor, so that's on the front part here. There is a fingerprint scanner on the screen. Wow! Again, a very beautiful phone. It sort of looks like it's pink, but it's not. But it's white, but it's not. The last Vivo V20 gave us purple and pink. This gives us that and more. It's more of a rainbow at this point. Now, it is a sleek, solid feeling phone still. Looks very similar to the Vivo V20, but again, I loved how that phone looks, so I don't have any issues right here. There is a teeny camera bump, and we see 3 cameras on the back there. On the side, we have a volume rocker and a power button. At the bottom, of course, speaker grills, USB-C port, and the SIM tray. That is a dual SIM slot, and you can turn the other slot into a micro SD card slot. Other side is clean, and so is the top, except for that looks like a mic. Now this phone feels premium. It has a good weight. It does feel squarish because of the flat sides. I'm not necessarily hating that, but yeah, let's power it up, and in the meantime, a montage. Usually in this part of my video, I do camera tours, but I do have a Vivo V21e camera tour up, or if not, I'll put it up soon. I'll link it up here and down below so you can check that out. It's pretty similar, and in that video, I also talk about the similarities and differences between the Vivo V21e in that video and this Vivo V21 5G. But yeah, like I said earlier, and this excites me so much, we're gonna be doing a selfie test. So fair warning, if you're someone who isn't interested in seeing a lot of selfies, might as well exit the video now. But if I still have you guys, let's do this. I'm gonna find certain areas in my house and do tiny little photo shoots so that we see what the selfie camera on this thing can do. Of course, I'm definitely excited to try out the dual LED light feature. It's exactly what it sounds like. 2 tiny fill lights in front of your phone so that when you take your selfies, you find your light. Now this is pretty cool because in my years of covering phones and loving selfie phones, I've only ever seen one other phone which did this, and it was a phone that was only released in China. I love how this is all designed. You won't even realize that the lights are on until you turn it on, and there is no additional bulk to the phone, and the bezels aren't even that big. And I'm all for these tiny additions that add a little something to your phone experience without hindering how you'd normally use your device. For this challenge, we're gonna need just the selfie stick and of course the phone we're gonna be shooting with. Oh, and also I'm gonna be vlogging this whole experience with the same phone, so we're gonna be testing out that OIS on the front-facing video. Right, so selfie test starts now. I'm in my room and this is our first set. As you can see, I'm in front of a big window. We're gonna open this up as well for good lighting and this white wall. Right now, I'm shooting with the selfie cameras of the Vivo V21 5G. This is 1080p, but it can also shoot 4K. So obviously, I'm not going to be exporting this whole video on 4K, but I'm shooting this so you can see the difference of how the cameras handle 1080p and 4K. And beauty mode. Now, I'm on 35 when it comes to buffing, and I didn't really change anything up, and that's why you see that I'm looking pretty fresh. Now, before we move on, I'm just letting you guys know that the beauty mode is fun. Use it to enhance a real you or for a small picker-upper just like makeup, but your flaws and imperfections, that's normal. This beauty mode will not work on 4K, but it works on 1080p, which not a lot of phones do. Okay, I've turned off the buffing again because the whole point of this first selfie shoot is to show you that this thing has really nice beauty filters. So I purposely did not wear makeup for this very first part. What I'm gonna do is use the different makeup filters on this phone. Vivo has a lot of great ones and they're really customizable from like your eyebrows to your lipstick to your cheek color. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing like pretty close up shots on this white wall. And yes, these makeup filters work perfectly well with your glasses on, and then there's this funky double exposure mode which gives you artsy stuff like this. Right, I have fixed up a little bit and we're going to our first location, which is outside there. Doing the dual screen again, and this is our lanai. I feel like it would be a cute spot to take photos of if we make Mac the dog move and the fan. Right, I think those photos turned out well. I did do a bokeh of 2.8 to 8. Ooh, backlight, but still, look at my face. We're moving on to our next quote-unquote location. Yeah, also, I checked out the footage of me walking and talking, like how I'm doing right now. And yeah, it looks like the stabilization is definitely working, and it's looking pretty good, and I feel like you can most definitely walk and talk vlog with this. So we have this front area here, and I sort of once told the boyfriend as a joke that I love this plant so much that I was gonna do a shoot with these as props, and well, now I'm doing it. These leaves are also the same size as my head, so this is so silly. I'm literally inside our plant doing a selfie shootout. But yeah, I think the photos were worth it. Okay, I can't get over it. Look at me squatting by this plant. But yeah, no plants were harmed in the making of this video, FYI. Right, now it's time for the low light part of the video. We're gonna be trying out the cameras in, well, low light. Alexa, turn bedroom lights off. Yes, low light. And this is what video looks like in low light as well. Now what's even better is we can do video with the LED lights on. Let me show you. You see, so I'm vlogging with this phone and the LED lights are on. Let me show you off. I can see this being very useful for people who vlog and are always on the go, because now literally anywhere they'll be able to talk to their camera and there'll be ample lighting on their face. Let's try to take some photos. Oh my god, wait. Yeah, I just turned the lights on because it was ugly without the lights on. But yeah, oh my god, I just thought of an idea. We're gonna be taking out my sunset rainbow lamp so that it looks even better. So let's do it. If you guys don't know what a sunset rainbow lamp is, well, let me show you. Okay, wait. I did that on my face, wait. But yeah, it is this rainbow. And see, even if it's like dark and we have that other light on, I still have this fill light on my face. And I think that makes it way better. See? Anyway, photos. That's it for today's video, guys. I definitely enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about it. I definitely enjoy shooting selfie cameras like this vivo v21 5G. All details on pricing and availability that I have about this phone, I'll link in the description box below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And on TikTok, I answer questions real time, so I'll see you there. Until next time.